Hi guys, how you doing? I'm Chris and welcome to Simple Things Life. And please hit the subscribe button on the video. I really appreciate it. Okay, so let's get into it. Today we're going to have a look at, of course, how to lose the body fat, and also we're going to specifically target the upper abs. Okay, so the abs are made into different sections, and you'll see on my other videos that I go through the different parts. Today we're going to look at the upper abs, okay? Actually, the upper abs are the ones that you usually see first as the body fat goes. So usually the body fat starts going from up here, and as you get down here, these are the last parts to go. So by starting even working on here, we're going to start to make the top of the six pack here pop, okay? So as the fat comes over, you're going to start to get the split here, okay? So let's start nice and simply. We're going to lean back like this, okay? So your hands like that, and I want you to come up like this, okay? And down. See how my hands like that, okay? And up like this, okay? So you can put the back, look, you can put your head all the way down if it hurts too much and it's too tough, and come up like that, or you can just sit here and go from that level, okay? So let's do this one first, and then we'll do the upper. So breathe in, hands flat, out we come, we breathe out, and you'll see when I come up that I'm putting all the pressure right here, okay? So I'm not using here or the other parts, like right at the top here, okay? So up I come, and down, breathe in, and out. Good, oh, it's right here on the top. Good, keep going. Good, let's try for 3 more. Ready, up we come, breathe out. Remember, the breath helps us a lot. We use it like an accelerator on a car and drive up. Ready, here we go. Good, and one more, focus right in here now. I'm really starting to feel the burn. Okay, and up we come. And then down, and relax. Okay, so again, the great one about this one is this will be where you'll first see the six pack first, okay? So at Simple Things, what I've done is I'm going to train you just like I'm your personal trainer, okay? I'm doing it all here, right in my house at home, and not at my gym, okay? And so in this way, you can see how you can roll out of bed and just start doing your abs straight away. At the end of the day, when you get home from work, you don't want to drive through the traffic to the gym, you know, you hardly have any time in your life, I'm sure. And this way you can do it right here in the room, just like I'm doing, and get just shredded. I mean, anything you want, it's just you can do here in the gym, especially for this sort of stuff, okay? So I'm going to guide you through every aspect of abs, and I'm going to also show you in other videos the diet, what to eat. I'm going to lead you how to make through how to make salads, and also I'm going to teach you meditation and how to relax, so that we learn how to block the hormone cortisol, which makes your body hold on to the stress and hold on to the fat. Okay, so let's keep going and we'll talk more as we go. So now I'm going to show you, we're going to target right at the top and right at the side of the six pack here, okay? Watch how I put my hands like this. I'm going to put most of my weight over here onto this arm to take the pressure off and balance just a little bit with this one. And watch how I come up. I bend the knee slightly, watch, up, watch. Okay, now I can do it like this. This is more advanced, all the way up there, okay? But it's more advanced, okay? So for now, we start here and then we go to there, all right? So watch, I balance up just a little bit, all right? So before, all the pressure was here. Now I'm getting it right on the top of there of the rib cage, okay? Call that 4, here we go. 5, good, keep going. Keep your balance, you know? Keep all the pressure on your elbows here and rest the weight, okay? Up we go. Good, 4 more, 3, good. 2, and 1 more. You're going to start to feel it burn, and up we come. Squeeze it out. Good job. Okay, so what we want to also look at is for breakfast. So if it's breakfast time now, you've rolled out of bed and you're like, what can I eat? Okay, it's very key to get the body going on a nice steady rate of proteins and fats in the morning, okay? We really don't want to throw in a bunch of sugar in the morning because it's going to pick you up and it's going to crash you back down. And what I'm trying to do is show you the organic way that you can have a flat stomach and have this as part of your lifestyle and not just a one-off thing, okay? So let's go to the other side now. You've had a little rest. Okay, you're gonna see I'm gonna put the arms here like this. Again, I'm leaning on the inside elbow here. I'm focusing right here, right there. I've got the balance with this hand. Up we go, ready? Let's do 10 all together and we'll talk as we go, ready? And 1, there we go, 2, 3, 4, and a tricky one in case you want, 5, all the way up, okay? You see the difference? 6, good, balance again, 7, and 8, good, 9, 2 more, 9, and last one, ready? Up we go. Good job. You should really feel the pressure burning right through here now, and that's exactly what we want. So this is also going to help your core, and as we build up these muscles here, they're going to support your whole body, and that's a whole part of the thing. Okay, so that's the alarm that's gone off so that we know now it's time to keep moving, and we're going to do these ones all together. All right, so ready? Here we come up again. Up we go. Ready? And 2. Together. 3. Good. Keep going. 4. Go. Let's go through it. 5. Come on. And 6. Burn it now. Ready? 7. Ready? 8. If it's hurting too much, lie down like this. Just adjust your hands, okay? If it gets too much, you can always go back to the position. So you saw I did it then, and then I lean back. Boom. There we go. And if you're first starting out, these ones will actually be better. 2, and say 1 more. Okay, good. So we've got that down. So what you can do is you can run through these ones again until you get the burn going. And we're going to go through in other videos, of course, like we said, exactly what to eat. And that's going to make a big difference because it's really a holistic look at how you live your life, and the actual abs underneath. You see those when the fat comes off, okay? So you might see a lot of different videos and information which just has people doing the ab work, and that's great, okay? But perhaps you're not being shown exactly what goes into behind it, okay? So if you're in a TV show and you hired a trainer, okay, like me, to lead you through, well, these are the small, simple steps that they take. It's nothing incredible. It's every day, and to have the discipline to carry out these things every day. But when you don't know what to do, you get overwhelmed, right? You eat more, then you feel bad about eating more. So what I'm going to do is show you the ways that you can make the perfect types of food starting through the day. And also we have a look at meditation and ways to relax the body, okay? Because honestly, what's the point of having a six-pack if you're sad and stressed out, okay? A lot of people are. It's not like a magical cure-all, the six-pack, okay? You're still you, but what happens is you're taking care of yourself, okay? And as we eat better and we put good foods into our body, we feel better. And then we act better to other people, and life just gets generally easier. And you'll feel more confident, and you will look better in your clothes. Everything gets better. And again, you can do it all from your home, just like I'm doing it now. It's not something you have to put off and be like, oh, I'll do that in the future. Now is the time to do it, okay? Right now, you don't have to go anywhere. Jump on the floor. This is exactly how you do it. And I'm going to run you through all the different ways to do it. Okay? So we're going to do one final one. I'm going to show you a way where I do one on each side. You want to see something tricky? So we'll go 1, watch, 2, and 3. See? Let's do it again. 1, 2, and 3. And last one, ready? 1 at the top, 2 the middle, and 3 at the side. Okay? So check out all my other videos after this. If you're looking at how to do meal prep and how to reduce some of that stress, okay? Check out the other videos. Again, please click on the subscribe button, and that way you can check out all my videos, and I can lead you through everything you need to do, okay? So again, thanks for watching. I'm Chris, and this is Simple Things Life. Okay, see you guys next time.